Congratulations. If you watch this channel, you know that we were calling for a bounce right here. If you're a part of the member, the level 3 membership, both of our trades, Rndr and Gala, we're up pretty big. All right now on the Rndr trade, on a 10x, if you had $1,000 on it, you should be up $1,100. If you took a 20x on this trade, you would be up $2,200 on it with $1,000 on this trade. So congratulations. If this breaks out the top side, oh my gosh, $1,000 will get you. All right, there's the measured move for this move. If you took a 10x on this, on $1,000, yeah, you'd be looking at making 12 grand on this one move right here. Pretty crazy, huh? On a 20x, you'd be looking at making what, $23,000 roughly, somewhere right around there, on $1,000 on a 20x. It's going to take a while for this to play out, I'm sure. As long as this breaks out the upper side, massive trade, you know, that pays for your membership. That would pay for it for the next 20 years, you know, at $14.99. So congratulations everybody. I put out members only videos on these, and I put them in Discord, both Rndr and Gala. We'll get right back to this chart here, but I do want to show you the Gala trade, you know, and it's $14.99 to become a member of the group, guys. You get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting these charts, and it also gets you a link to our Discord, and it gets you our trade alert videos. All right, on Gala here, if we go in on the daily, all right, let's go in a little bit closer here. The 15-minute yesterday, I actually got in at this yellow line. What this ended up doing was 5 waves down. I measured this out too. I should have just, I got impatient once it started moving here. This ended up just being a wick down here. But if you measure this out, it was a wave 5, okay? Right down here, this wave 5 ended up coming down. That would have been a perfect entry. But if you're in Gala from this bottom right now, Gala is up 5.5%. So if you had 1,000 on it, you'd be up $550. If you had that's on a 10x. On a 20x, you'd be up over $1,000 already on this. And this is another one. We're looking for a fake out here on this breakdown and a breakout to top, and the gains are very similar to Rndr. On a $1,000 trade, you'd be looking at making about $10,000 on a 10x. On a 20x, you know, big money on these trades. These are 2 trades that'll make your year. All right, and if you got both of these, if you had $1,000 on each of them, you know, all together, you're looking, you know, and not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor at all. That's not my thing. All right, but you know, the potential for these 2 trades is astronomical. If you had $1,000 on each of them, you'd be looking, you know, on a 10x making $20,000 on each of them. So pretty crazy money, that's for sure. All right, but back over here to Rndr. This thing is looking great. Okay, on the daily, let's look here at the RSI. The RSI is just turning up on the daily. Okay, if we break through this 618 and 702 up here, let me pull this over for you. All right, right up here, if we break through 1161, you know, call it, to be safe, call it like 1170. All right, of course that would break us out the upper side of this wedge too. Then this thing's really going to be ripping up out of here. The next target up there would be $18.48. All right, so if this runs out the top, if you got in the trade down here, right up to 1848, yeah, that's big money. $1,000, you'd be looking at almost 13 grand. Okay, huge trade here. And now if we zoom in a little bit closer on the 4-hour, you're going to have a pullback here. Okay, you're going to have a wave 1. You know, so you have a second chance of really getting in this if you want to. I would be looking at probably at a 618 pullback here on this wave 2. You know, so if you put a fib on it, if you missed this trade and you're looking to get in it, you know, I would be looking for right down here to 618, 853, somewhere around there. Might want to jump in a little bit earlier than that. I don't know. That's up to you. This is not financial advice, okay? But this would probably be a wave 2 pullback. You'd have a 1, a 2, you know, then your 3 might come up here to resistance, 4, and then a blast through, okay? And then you'd probably have an ABC and then start a second wave, a 5 up, something like that. You know, as long as as long as this follows through, okay, and it stops right here, I'd be looking, you know, 618 down here. Around 854 is a 618, might pull down to a 702 at 841, somewhere around there. You know, if you're looking to maybe get in this trade, the 8 hour. The 8 hours heading straight up. The 12 hour. Whoops, sorry about that. I just put out a Caspa trade over there in Discord. It looks like Caspa's doing a wave 5 up, so I put that out to the members. I posted it in Discord. Yeah, another nice trade there. That's pretty decent one. So we've been killing the trades here lately, getting them pretty decent. So on the 1 hour here, you're pulling down. All right, you can see, oh, you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably going to push up just a little bit higher. All right, a 5th wave up here. We'll probably put this thing up, you know, 977, something like that. So you're probably going to pull that up here. You know, and you can learn all this on a level 3, guys. Level 3 membership. It's only 15 bucks. Get you in there and you can learn how to start charting these charts like this. All right, it's we have a bull. We're in a bull run here, so you're gonna want to, you know, make money here. Looks like this thing's probably pushing up to 977. Then a pullback down to 618 would be around 865, I would imagine. But this looks like a 5th wave right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 up. Okay, so we'll keep that right there. And then 618 here is probably wherever this stops at. Look for a 618 pullback if you're interested in trying to get in this thing. Okay, it might bounce sooner than that. It's really hard to tell. But the weekly RSI right at the very bottom here, fantastic, looking great. Okay, the 3-day it's still rolling over here a little bit, and your 5-day. Right near the bottom. All right, so things are lining up decent here for a pretty good run from Rndr here. So definitely keep your eye on this thing, guys. It's looking very, very good. All right, please hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching my channel, guys. Have a great day.